This is Timothy Simwe, your engineer. We are here. I'm going to show you the gutter we are working on the project we are doing design and supervision. As we told you that some of the projects we do design and supervision. So here we want to see how to do a concrete gutter. One of the things that people like, we design it at office and we give it out to contractors, and this contractor is done executing the concrete gutter, but for us we are on a part of design of supervision. And we want to see the cost of the concrete gutter. Many people like the concrete gutters. People tell us, please, I copy this concrete gutter here, I want it on my house. But it comes at a cost, and today we are going to see the process of doing a concrete gutter. And what does it require? And what can you do if you want to have the best concrete gutter? Many people find it that when they do concrete gutters, they are leaking, but we want to make sure that you do the best concrete gutter like we have done for this client, supervised it, designed it, and ensure that it's one of the best concrete gutters he can have on his house. And you will see how it will come out to be one of the perfect as designed on architectural drawings. So one, this is how they do a concrete gutter. It is seated on the beam, whereby it is acting as a cantilever. So by the end of your concrete gutter, you will have somewhere, even where someone can sit or stand or maintain, because it is a structural element of the house. So it is cantilevered on the beam. So one, it needs formwork. Like you can see this concrete gutter on this house, it has taken 450 pieces of timber. It needs formwork to support it down. It needs timber to have a mold there. It needs timber to move around, casting it. So those are all required. So you must be preparing over 450 pieces or above or less based on the size. This is a 7-bedroom house. Then two, you need trees, because you are going to support this concrete gutter from down, since it is a cantilevered concrete gutter. So here, for this one, we have used around 400 pieces of trees. So you must have those trees to ensure that your concrete gutter is fully supported and properly cantilevered. Then another thing you are going to need, you're going to have bars, because we are going to hook the bars into the beam, then have that shape that we are going to cast. So for this gutter of a 7-bedroom house, we have used 150 bars. We mixed T12 and T10 in the bars, because the T12 were used for cantilever, then T10 were used for redistribution. So that's one thing that you have to consider. Here we used 150 pieces of bars, T10 and T12. Then we are going to need cement. To cast this one, today we are casting, as you are seeing. We have used 200 bags of cement, and we usually encourage you to use semi-2. As we told you, that is the one that is for concrete parts or for structural elements, so that you have the best. Then you have to mix waterproof. You can use like, each jerrycan usually takes 1 liter. So if you are using 200 bags, then you consider possibly having like 30 or 50 liters of master cast concrete to mix in your concrete. Then another thing you need, of course, you need the workers so that you be part of the team. So that's the costs. Well, those are the materials you need for a concrete gutter. So basically, that is one of the things we have to focus on if you're doing a concrete gutter. So we are going to calculate for you, and you see how much money has been spent on this concrete gutter. So that before you start or implement the concrete gutter, you know the cost, you are able to follow up, you are able to know before you try out and reach in the middle, and you possibly say maybe they breached me. Thank you so much. Let's see the cost.